Your indoor heating might be killing your plants, yes. Killing them. You turn on the heater. You feel cozy and warm. But your plants, they're silently suffering dry air, hot drafts, hidden stress. And most people have no idea this is happening. But don't panic. This video has the solution. If you love your plants and you don't want to lose them in winter, make sure to subscribe. Turn on the bell so you don't miss the next plant care videos. Now let's talk about what indoor heating really does to plants. Heating dries the air very fast. Low humidity means plants lose water through their leaves much faster than normal. Leaves curl, tips turn brown. Growth slows down. Even if you water correctly, the plant still feels thirsty. Warm air on top, cold soil below. This temperature shock confuses the roots. Roots slow down nutrient absorption. Water stays longer in the soil. And suddenly root rot starts. This is why plants look weak, even when the soil is wet. Heating vents are dangerous. Hot air blowing directly on leaves causes leaf burn. Invisible damage at first, visible problems later. Yellow spots, dry patches, sudden leaf drop. Heat tells the plant it's growing season. But winter light says, no, it's not. This confusion leads to weak leggy growth and long-term stress. So what should you do? Move plants away from heaters. Increase humidity. Group plants together. Use a humidifier if possible. Water less often in winter. Check soil before watering. And most importantly, stable temperature. No hot air on leaves. Does your home use radiators, floor heating, or air heaters? Tell me in the comments. Let's help each other save our plants. Share this video with a plant-loving friend. Like, subscribe, and grow with us. May your plants stay healthy, green, and stress-free all winter long.